Your GrowBorg is now successfully connected to the app and ready to start growing plants. So we can start the growing process.
Open the app, and on the home screen you will see the current temperature in the room as well as the status of the water tank, whether it is full or not. At the top of the screen you will find the Start Growing button. Once you press it, you will be presented with two growing methods, Easy and Advanced. If you choose Start Easy, you are automatically selecting one of the pre-configured plant recipes. In this mode, you can pick from several ready-made recipes we already prepared. Over time, we will continue adding more and more recipes for different plant types, so your choices will become richer and more diverse. If you opt for Start as Expert, keep in mind that this is a more advanced and detailed process. If you're ready to take full control, press Proceed. The first step is to enter the name of the plant you intended to grow and choose an appropriate image for it. Next, you will create your own custom recipe. Start by naming the recipe. You can name it after the plant you are growing for easier identification later. Then, set the optimal temperature for your plant. For example, if the plant thrives between 20 and 24 degrees Celsius, the optimal temperature would be 22 degrees Celsius. Below that, you will find the tolerance range. For instance, if you enter 6 degrees Celsius, the app will notify you if the temperature rises above 28 degrees Celsius or drop below 16 degrees Celsius. After that, you will set a photo interval, which shows how often the device will take a picture of your plant. Recommended intervals are 60 minutes or 120 minutes. If you're growing a fast-growing plant, choose the shorter interval, 60 minutes. For slower-growing plants, go with 120 minutes. Then you will set the start time. That is the time when the device turns on each day. After completing this step, press Confirm, and you will move on to setting up a detailed digital recipe by days and hours. Click on Add New Day, then define the hours during which the plant will be exposed to light. For example, if the light should be on for 16 hours and you want it to start at 7 a.m., it should turn off at midnight. For each hour, you can adjust the intensity of each light spectrum in percentages. Once you configure the light intensities for 1 hour, you can use the Quick Adjust option to automatically copy the same values to the following hours. If the light intensity needs to vary hour by hour, use the adjustment slider on the right side to manually set each segment. After finishing the setup for one day, click Save. If you want to repeat the same light settings across multiple days, simply use Duplicate. When the day comes that requires different settings, click Add New Day again and adjust the new schedule and light intensities. After that, you can continue using Duplicate or Add New Day depending on your needs. Once you've completed the setup for all days, confirm the recipe and then click Continue. You will then see planting instructions, including how to insert capsules and refill the water tank. Finally, you will review the final growing settings, and once you confirm them, the process is complete. Shortly after that, you will receive an email confirming that the growing process has started.
Your GrowBorg is now truly up and running, ready to grow your plants with you in smart, precise, and fully automated way.